Hi guys, we're here again with another video. I am happy you could join us. Today we are going to talk about how to level up your photos. I want to make it that your photos are more captivating and your audience wants to engage with it. So how do you do that? Well, hi guys. I'm here to help you guys today. I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to make your photos less boring. So when you post, people are just like, oh my God, this is amazing. So when you post, people are just like, how do you get your photos like that, miss? So, listen, I'm here to spill the tea. So if you're interested in finding out more on how to level up your photos on Instagram, Facebook, wherever, because you know it can be repurposed and reused for any and everywhere. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So guys, before we start, you know what I'm gonna ask? I'm gonna ask you guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe, because you know our family is growing and glowing, and I love to say that every single video, because it's true. Every single video there's somebody that has subscribed to my channel, and I'm so excited. So if you haven't subscribed already, just subscribe, click that subscribe button right now. So great, thank you and welcome to the family. I'm going to be sharing quite a bit of things, so you won't be missing out on anything. Also, remember to like and comment. If you really like this video, I would like to know. Like, what part of it did you like? Which tip made most sense to you, and which tip would you be using to level up your photos so you'll be stunting on your followers on Instagram? Tell me in the comments. Tell me in the comments. Let's start a conversation. And also, if you want, I can share more tips behind the scenes on how to level up your photos. So leave a comment, guys. Let's start right now, all right? And the first tip is think outside the box. Everybody is doing that duck face, and everybody is doing that one pose, and everybody is doing that mainstream bikini picture. You don't want that, guys. There is more than bikini pictures. Some persons will just follow you for the bikini pictures, and then when they realize that you're doing something else, or you're trying to promote travel, or you're trying to promote lifestyle on your page, they're gonna be like dropping like flies. Do you want that to happen, right? So if you are a lifestyle blogger, or if you are a travel person or makeup artist, it doesn't matter what you are, think outside the box. How can you take a picture that is going to have people be like, wow, I never thought you could take that picture like that. I never thought you could promote something like that. I never thought you could tell the story just by using that in your picture. Like, how can you think in a way that will cause people to stop scrolling? Like, people scroll, people don't even read the caption, people don't even know what your photo is about, but they're moving at miles per second, guys, through and through and through. So how can you stop that person dead in their tracks? Let them say, yeah, this person's content made a lot of sense. So tips on the tip of thinking outside the box, maybe you would want to do something along a trending topic. So I remember when I did the Black Lives Matter shoot, right? So I'm gonna post it right here. I did this shoot, and then it blew up because it was trending, and it was something out of the box that nobody else was talking about or anybody else was posting. So I know everybody was just like, oh, you know, repost something from somebody somewhere. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. If you're gonna be trending, hey, how can you do it in a way that will cause people to repost your image? So some inspiration you can get from Google search. You can Google search something, you can Google search different artwork and bring them to life. I mean, it wasn't really like a new age, me creating this also the blue thing, but I said, how can I bring some art to life? I just created my own spin on it. I think I got quite a bit of shares because of it, and it was just a unique take on what was happening in the world at that point. So that's what I mean by thinking out of the box. You don't necessarily have to reinvent the wheel, but take something, use inspiration and then make it your own. Also, you want to do angles. People, this little in front of the camera and shoot ain't working. It's not cutting it anymore, guys. So what you want to do is like say, how can you angle the phone or the camera to get a different take or a different perspective on a picture or a shoot? How can you create or accentuate certain parts of your body? You pose. What feature do you want to enhance? Okay, so it's not just like a one shot, one point and shoot something. It doesn't create any kind of feeling that your audience would want to stop and say, hey, look at that angle though. If they don't even comment how your picture look good, they will say, hey, look at that angle. Or angles, girl, like something, because it is not your regular. Somebody take your phone, hi, take a picture. Yeah, not that. It's not that. So next time you shoot something, see how you can angle the picture. Like if you take a selfie, angle it. If you know that your head big, angle it. There's so many angles you can use to your advantage. So use them. Next, you want to use statement pieces. I don't have one right now, but let me post a picture with a statement piece or vibrant colors. I remember where I had a picture where I used, you know, the polka dot top with a very orange, shocking bottom, and you know, I also used the angle to my advantage in that shoot. But you want to have vibrant colors so it can be eye-catching when people are scrolling through your feed. Again, because they do a lot of scrolling, they probably don't even remember what they like 5 minutes into scrolling. Like, so anyhow, right, you want to use vibrant colors. So vibrant colors meaning yet not shocking neon where the satellite in space can pick you up from Earth. No, like a vibrant orange or a vibrant pink or a vibrant something that stands out. It stands out from the background, it stands out from the foreground, and it catches the eye of your audience. If you don't have vibrant colors, then use statement pieces. Pieces that again will stand out. So once you have those and once you know how to use them to your advantage, then yeah, roll with it. My statement piece right now are my lashes. You like them? Oh God, what are you going to do with me? So tying into angles, I kind of touched on it. It is focus. Like, how do I explain this? So, even phones do it nowadays, right? What do you want to bring focus to so that persons can say, okay, yeah. If you have a nice cheekbone, if you have a nice jawline, sorry, or if you have high cheekbones or you have nice eyes, how are you going to make it that it is now distinct? How do you focus your camera or focus the frame or focus the lens or focus whatever you need to focus in the camera? How are you going to focus? You don't even have to focus a specific part of your face. If you want that, then kudos to you. Power to you. But you can also focus your whole body. So how do you bring it to the forefront so that the background is blurred? Or, you know, I don't know how you guys can be in this day and age not knowing how to blur out the background. I mean, there's so many phones nowadays, and you don't have to have an iPhone, guys. You do not have to have an iPhone. It's standard where they think that, hey, you know, if you don't have an iPhone or the latest Samsung S something, then your photos are not happening. That's not true. I have known persons who have made the most of their mobile. They're very affordable mobile. They have been able to create content where they have focus and then the background is blurred, or if their background not blurred, they still focus on what is important to them within that post or within that photo and make it work for them. So guys, make it work. So guys, I hope I left you with some tips and tricks. I think I'm going to do a part 2 because I did think of some more things that I want to share with you. So if you want me to do a part 2, then comment down below and tell me, because I would love to share some added tips with you guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe, please comment and share. See you in the next video. Bye.